Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a job application form using Google Forms for free. So if you need a free and easy way to collect job applications, let's just create a full job application form using Google Forms. So it's perfect for small businesses, startups, or freelancers. So you can just open Google Forms, go to the forms forms.google.com and just create a blank form like this to get started. And now you can just add form sections and question. You can add sections like personal info, work experience, and educations, and use the question types like short answer, drop downs, and file uploads. So for this one, I'm going to create the first section, which is the personal info. So I'm going to go with name and change the type. It will automatically detect the type of questions, short answer, and this is required. You can make it at required, so the respondent need to they have to fill in the answer. Click on the plus icon to for the next question. Second one is email, and here short answer required. You can also click on the plus icon again. Here phone number, sorry, and require again. Next one, let's choose upload resume in here and change the type of questions into file upload. This one, so they will need to upload the resume in here. Click on continue. Okay, you can set the settings, but I'm going to just leave it as it is and make it required. For the next one, I'm going to ask for the work experience. And the type of the question is paragraph. And the last one, I'm going to go with position applied for. And here you can use the drop down options. So you can have the question in here, for example, marketing, finance, content creator. You can add as many as options as you want. And after you're done with the question and everything, you can customize and brand the job application. You can click on the pen icon at the top to customize your form's themes. You can add your logo, change colors, and font style. Here, for example, I'm going to change the header font into impact like this. To change it into job. Application form. You can also change the font of the question in here if you want to. And if you want to add your logo, you can click on this header and tap on a choose image, and you can just upload the header of your company. You can use header from here, but if you want your own brand header or logo, then just tap on upload and browse the file. You can also change the color here. If users cannot upload resumes, let's say, you can go to the settings, and here under the responses options, you need to make sure that your file uploads are allowed. In here, this one, you need to make sure there is this options. Also check if sign in is required, disable if needed. And after that, you can just tap on publish in here, and here you can just tap on publish again. Then you can share the form. So click on this plus icon, or you can just copy the link and share it to everyone, or the one that you want, the one that want to apply to your company. You can just copy the link of this form and share it. And that's how you can make a full job application form for free. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more Google Tools tutorials. Also, don't forget to click on thanks. Bye!